This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in openSUSE. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once in openSUSE, there's a few different ways to do that. The way that I'm going to show you, the first thing you want to do is open up your terminal. As you can see, I have my terminal opened up. The next thing you want to do is type this command right here. Sudo zypper update. Hit enter. It'll ask you for your password. I'm going to type my password. I'm going to hit enter again, which tells me that there's 220 packages that I could upgrade, 4 new ones. At the bottom down here, it asks me, do I want to continue? Do I want to install this? I'm going to type Y and hit enter. Now, depending on how many updates that you need to make and the speed of your computer, it could take a few minutes, could take 5 minutes, could take 10 minutes. Just all depends on how many updates there are and how fast your computer is. I'll come back to you as soon as this is finished. And my update has finished now. It suggests that I reboot my system now, but that is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in openSUSE. Thanks for watching.